Hi guys, in this example, we learn how to use max and min functions. So many a times when we are working in Excel, there are circumstances when we need to find out the maximum value in a range or the minimum value in the range. This example will deal with that. So we have a function known as max, which finds the highest value from a selected range. Similarly, we have a function known as min, which finds the lowest value from a selected range. So we have the same example here. Now if I need to find out in cell F17 the highest points earned, so I'll press equals max and I'll select the range. So out of these selected cells, which one is the highest? 90. Similarly, out of these selected cells, which one is the minimum? So we have the min function equals min, select the cells, close the bracket, press enter. So minimum is 27, maximum and minimum. Very easy guys, try it yourself.